Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be learning how to delete your Wattpad account on a phone. First, open your browser. After that, you want to type in Wattpad over here. Simply type Wattpad and click on the official website. After that, you can log in into your email. After that, you want to log in into your account. Click on login. After that, you want to click on the official website. After that, you will be logged in into your account, and if you are not, simply log in into your account and click on this profile over here. Click on settings. After that, here you'll see your information about your account. Simply click on close account over here and select the option why you want to close your account and click on continue. After that, it will ask you to close account and click on I confirm I want to close my account and click on close account. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments below.